Hey guys, this is Vagary Indian and today we'll be talking about the clash between India and China at the Galwan Valley. The 2020 India-China skirmishes are a part of the ongoing military conflict between India and China. As per the sources, in late May, the Chinese government objected to the Indian road construction at the Galwan River Valley. The melee fighting on 15 to 16 June resulted in 20 deaths of Indian soldiers, including an officer, and 43 casualties on the Chinese side, including an officer. It came into light that there were casualties of more than 100 soldiers of the Chinese side, but they did not accept it. Multiple reasons have been cited as the trigger for these skirmishes between India and China. One of them being the construction of Indian infrastructure in Ladakh, particularly at the Darbuk-Shiok-Debyo road. Many analysts say that these skirmishes are due to the internal problems within China and the growing pandemic problem, due to which China wants to divert the attention of the pandemic to these skirmishes so that the world does not blame China for the pandemic. After earlier unsuccessful attempts, a discussion scheduled for 5th July was held between Special Representatives, National Security Advisor of India Ajit Doval and Foreign Ministry of China Wang Yi, where it was decided that both Indian and Chinese troops would move back by 1.8 kilometers from the patrolling point PP14, which was also the Galwan clash site. It was reported that both the troops moved back around 1.5 to 2 kilometers from PP14 to create a buffer zone, which would be off limits for foot patrolling by them for the next 30 days. Chinese troops fully moved out of the clash site along with thinning down of troops at Hot Springs and Gogra. Following the Galwan clash, many Chinese flags and effigies of paramount leader of China, Xi Jinping, were burned at various places across the country. The names of those killed in the Galwan Valley clash will be inscribed on the National War Memorial in New Delhi. So what was India's response to the clash at the Galwan site to China? Sonam Wangchuk appealed to Indians to use wallet power and boycott Chinese products. This appeal was covered by major media houses and supported by various celebrities. After this, the Indian Railways cancelled a contract with a Chinese firm, while the Department of Telecommunication notified BSNL not to use any Chinese-made products in upgradations. Numerous Chinese contractors and firms were put under enhanced scrutiny following the 2020 border friction. Chinese imports began undergoing through additional checks at Indian customs. Following this, the major apps of China were banned in India, including TikTok and PUBG, due to which these companies had to face huge losses because Indian market was the best market for them to sell their products. So in the end, I would like to conclude that no matter how strong China is, how much technology they have, they don't have the heart to fight like the Indian soldiers. So support the Indian Army, support the Make in India campaign and be safe. Jai Hind.